I'm Gabby, and I'm going to show you how to make an easy but impressive appetizer. So in this bowl, I've got a little bit of chunk chicken that's been cooked already, some shredded carrots, some bell peppers, and some green onions. You can use any combination of finely chopped vegetables and meat or fish or tofu that you want. To that, I'm going to add just a little bit of smashed garlic and a little bit of soy sauce just for flavor. And I'll stir these to combine. And here I've got a couple of pot sticker wrappers. You can get these in your produce aisle. They're next to the tofu. Really easy to find. So I like the square kind. You can also use the round kind if you want, but square kind works best for me. So what you want to do is take a little bit of your mixture and put it right in the middle of your wrapper. And then dip your fingers in some water here and gently coat the edges of the wrapper with water. And remember, less is more here. If you overload this pot sticker, it's going to be really hard to work with. So all I'm going to do is bring the points together. And as I do that, you can see I'm sealing the edges. So I have a little bundle. I'm going to do that one more time. Put my mixture down in the middle. And pull up my corners again, all the while sealing my edges to make sure that none of that good filling comes out of my little dumpling. And then what you want to do is you want to pan fry these guys over a medium-high heat with a little bit of canola or vegetable oil, and then serve them with a little bit more soy sauce, or you could do a peanut sauce or sweet and sour sauce, whatever kind of sauce you like. And that is how you make an easy, tasty, impressive appetizer.